Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith here from Tribal Expression. I'm down here at the manufacturing facility, a little bit loud, but we're down here doing a production run of the 4mm titanium beads. Why don't we take a look here at the machine, we'll see what's going on, and I'll show you around. Alright, let's take a look here. It's finishing it up over on the one side, it should spit it out. Excellent. Let's go take a look at it. Perfect. These are the beads that just came right out of the machine. Why don't we go over to the bench and let's go take a look and see what they look like. Oh wow, these are the beads that just come out of the machine. You see, these are what they look like coming right out of the machine. Those are beautiful. This is what you get when you get a really high precision machine. These are grade 23 titanium, all mill certified. So this is what we're making over here. These are all with the 5/8 cubics. So this is what we're going for. So just beautiful pieces of jewelry, all in threadless. So hopefully you enjoy my video.